On each dialog box, for example, if I go font settings, you will see one button, it is highlighted and different, and if I press enter or return key, that's gonna work on that button. For example, here on font setting, it is OK button. This is called default button. If I go developer and Visual Basic, command buttons only have this property. By default, every command button set on false, and you could set enabled on that, and note that only one button could be set for true or default. Now, if I run my form, as you see now it is a bit highlighted and bolder, and if I type, for example, Alex 123, instead of clicking on that or going tab, if I press enter or return key, you see this command button trigger will get activated and gonna work. So this is default button. For example, let's say I want to make a close button, maybe here, although the place it is not good, but let's say close or end. And I want to make it this one default. Select it, double click to make default, and note that this one default set false because only one button at the same time on each form could be default. And double click on that, and I want to say unload me. Okay, so if I run the form and type anything, Alex, anything, if I press enter or return key, my close button gonna activate it.